Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to make this planner stickers or labels. These can be used in your journals or in your planners or even while you're studying. You can use them as the markers. So you don't need anything to make this. So you don't need to spend a single rupee. So all you need is old magazines or old newspapers. So here I found a small space, color space, which is empty, which is not used. So I'm using this color space and then I'm going to cut it out. So I had a stencil so that I'm using. You can also even draw with your hand. You can also make different shapes of labels using this method. The last video I made how to make a stickers. I mean, you spend 10 rupees to take a printout, but here you don't even need a single rupee to make these labels. So you can make these labels just like this in a very simple and very easy way. So these labels you can use it in your planners, or nowadays everyone are making journals, so you can use this. So while making these labels I also found few pictures. So these I can use as stickers in the journaling process. See, I'll just cut them and then I'll use. So these are the free stickers, you don't need to buy. So whenever you see some interesting pictures, so you can just cut them and then keep it in your planner box. So that way you can make your own journaling stickers where you don't need to spend a single rupee. So here I found some large space, so I'm just drawing everything. So once I make these and then I just keep them in a clear plastic cover so that whenever I need, I would be using. So whenever I see a pamphlet or a magazine, I do this method. So it saves you a lot of money. So you don't need to spend buying all these fancy stickers or labels. So yet you can make one for yourself. See here I found two colors, so I thought why can't I make this label with the two colors? So there is a white dot, so I thought okay, let me use this as well. So this is something different. So the creativity is up to you. You can use any space. I mean, you can also make these labels with a white paper. It looks good, but you know, for your planner or journal, to make it more colorful, you need more color labels or stickers like this. So, but you don't need any color paper, right? So this is an interesting that anyone can make with the things that are available in their home. So after cutting down all of them, I'm just keeping it in a clear plastic bag. So this is a plastic cover, so it can be seen and then you can use it whatever the color you want. That's it, these labels are ready. See, I'll show how I used it in my planners. So I use it like this. I simply use the glue stick and then attach it. That's it. See, so these check out my channel. I also make planner videos, so that would be great helpful for you in planning your studies. Hope you like this idea. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to S19 Creations and stay tuned.